Okay, so doing the atomic structure, we do need our periodic tables out. So I have one here down below. Where it says element, we're going to write the name. So AU is right here. The name of AU is gold. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in, gold. The symbol is AU, mass number. So mass number equals the proton number plus the number of neutrons. So that means I'm going to be able to solve for one of these. Atomic number comes from the periodic table. It's the whole number. So if for AU, for gold, it's 79. And then atomic number, proton number, and since these are all atoms, they're not charged, the electron number is the same. Protons and electrons equal each other for atoms. For ions, they don't, right? We already learned that, but for atoms, they do. So in order to find the number of neutrons, I'm going to have to take my mass number, so 197 minus 79 equals 118. So that's how many neutrons I have. Moving on to the next one, nitrogen. N is nitrogen. It's right here on the periodic table. So that means atomic number is 7, which means protons is 7, which means electrons is 7. The mass number, this should not be a decimal. Again, you are taking the protons and adding the neutrons. So protons here and adding the neutrons. 7 plus 7 is 14. So the mass number is 14. The number on the periodic table down here is average atomic mass. Notice it says 14.01. That's an average. We want the mass number. Mass number is protons plus neutrons. It should always be a whole number. On the next one, I don't have a symbol or a name. Mass number, I can't look that up on the periodic table. Atomic number, I can look up on the periodic table. So I'm going to look up number 13, and it's right here. So it's aluminum. So I'm going to go back to my symbol. I'm going to write Al for aluminum. I'm going to spell it out right here, aluminum. And remember, atomic number, protons and electrons are all going to equal each other. And then again, in order to find my number of neutrons, I need to take my mass number and subtract my protons. So 27 minus 13 gives me 14. So 14 neutrons. Doing the next one. So I have the electron number, and remember for an atom, that's the same as the protons, and then protons and atomic number are the same. So I'm going to look up this element on the periodic table by the number of protons, right, by the atomic number. So 29 is right here. So it's copper, Cu, copper. So finally, I need to do the mass number. Remember, mass number here is protons plus neutrons, so 29 plus 35 is 64. And so forth. Continue on the rest of the table. Please let me know if you guys have any questions.